Hello, welcome back. It's another part of the July eBay seller update, and this one is all about how eBay have streamlined the tracking process and made it a lot easier and a lot more visual and a lot better for everyone. Let's find out what they've done. All in Seller Hub, yeah, well, that's what it is. They just made it look a little bit better, and they've put it in a bar format saying when you dispatch, when it's in transit, and when it's delivered. So go into the view order page, and that will give you the details. Here's one that I clicked in, and it just shows you where it is in that progress bar. Just a quick visual update of what the order that you've sold, where it is in that process, a little bit of an indication to the buyer when it's due to be with them. This is one that I can see is quite useful for both me and the buyer in the case of returns. And what they've done is they've joined it together so that under one order, the tracking for the item going out and the tracking for it coming back is in the same place. So you don't have to go and find your return case and follow it up in that area. So you just click on it, you go to the orders, and then in one page you can see that you've got the delivery when it went out and you got the delivery when it comes back with the green status is where it is. So that one's quite useful. I quite like that one. And this is the one that really is going to impact a lot of people, and this is streamlining it, or I think they've fixed it, is it's now taking updates more regular rather than just going in and saying it's been dispatched or it's been collected. It's actually taking the progress updates from the likes of Royal Mail and updating them into eBay. And this is what was needed all along from day one, especially regarding the simple delivery, because this will now give you that accurate delivery. It'll show if it's at the hub, if it's at the West Midlands hub, if it's at the Northeast hub. It'll show if it's been delayed. It also shows multiple attempts at delivery, and it's accurate. And that's what's needed now, especially for private sellers who are going to really need that item to stay delivered to get the money within 2 days. So it was about time. It should have been done from day one. I don't think this is a streamline. I think this is just a fix. Now, I've broken down all the July seller tips into 4 individual videos. We're only a couple of minutes long. Hopefully that format is good because some people want to know some people won't want to know the others. And what I'll do also is put all the seller tips once I've completed them into one 10-minute video. Should anybody want to just wait for that 10-minute video to come out? If you did like it, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down. If you want to comment, then feel free. It doesn't matter. You'll see from all my videos that every comment is still left on, unless it's somebody spamming on them regarding cryptocurrency. And I do actually delete those and report them. But if you want to praise me, say it's great, you like the channel, brilliant. If you don't want to say that and you want to say the total opposite, it's freedom of choice. Everyone's able to do that. So stay tuned for more seller updates and check out the rest of the channel for all the eBay bits and bobs. And thank you all so much for watching.